Hello everyone, paano ba gumawa ng appointment letter or designation letter as pollution control officer? At itong appointment letter ay isinasubmit natin para sa application for PCO accreditation. So as shown on the screen, isang pattern para sa paggawa ng appointment letter as pollution control officer. So unang-una, ang highlight nga dito ay ang PCO na ina-appoint. Kailangan maging malinaw kung sino ang PCO ng isang establishmento at maging malinaw in writing na siya nga. Ilalagay natin yan yung pangalan dito, yung pangalan ng ina-appoint na pollution control officer at syempre kung anong pangalan ng establishment at saan ang address. Permado ito syempre ng managing head or somebody in the organization authorized to sign the appointment or designation letter at naka-address ito sa regional director ng concerned regional office of Environmental Management Bureau. Pero wala namang nagsabi na kailangang naka-address kapag ka-appointment letter sa regional director. Pero ang regional director kasi ang nag-a-act doon sa application. Kaya maganda rin na ilagay natin sa appointment letter naka-address sa regional director at pinipirman nga ito ng appointing authority, ang managing head. Sa kabilang banda, meron ding diretso na lamang sa pangalan ng PCO in a form of memorandum. Pero ang subject din nga ay appointment letter. Sa ganitong binibigay natin na pattern, naka-address sa regional director, malaking bagay din po yan. Pangalawa, signed by the managing head yung appointment letter. At pangatlo, permado or ina-accept nung PCO. So, paano gawin ito? Unang-una, date, lagay natin. For example, um, December 21, 2025. And then, name ng regional director, halimbawa, Honorable Robert Angelo Metin. Siya ang regional director ng Environmental Management Bureau, Region 4A. And then, yung address ng opisina, 4th floor, PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Paranaque, yan, City. And then dito, subject appointment letter as pollution control officer. Dear Director Metin, warm greetings. We would like to appoint, lagay natin ang pangalan kunyari ng isang PCO, Juan P. Cruz. And as pollution control officer of, lalagyan naman natin dito ang name ng establishment. Halimbawa, ABC Restaurant. Located at, example, number 3 MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. So ito yung kanyang establishment na i-represent, located at number 3 MP Casanova Street, Barangay Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. O yan, malinaw siya. Pursuant to the requirements of DAO 2014-02. At meron tayo ditong brief duties and responsibilities at kung kanino siya reporting. So, he will perform the above mentioned function and report to the undersigned as immediate supervisor or managing head. Thank you very much. Sincerely yours. Lagay natin dito ang pangalan ng managing head. For example, Engineer Peter S. Pan. Position. So, siya ang manager. Date signed. For example, December 21, 2025. Tapos dito, kailangan pirmahan din ito ng PCO. Halimbawa, Mr. Juan P. Cruz. Ang position niya, siya yung um, Pollution Control Officer. Kung meron pa siyang concurrent position, halimbawa, Safety Officer. Date signed, December 21, 2025. So ito po ang sample or pattern ng isang appointment letter. At hindi naman po ito pro forma pero pwede nyo maging pattern in preparing your appointment letter. So, good thing na pwedeng matandaan, naka-address sa regional director ng concerned regional office ng EMB yung appointment letter, signed by the managing head at confirm ng pollution control officer. Pwede rin na diretso ng naka-address sa pollution control officer, signed by the managing head kung hindi naka-address dito. Pero mas mabuti ng ganyan na naka-address sa regional director. Okay? So, if you think na may kalituhan pa, pwede po kayong mag-comment dyan sa comment section. Or pwede rin kayong tumawag, magtanong mismo sa regional office ng EMB dahil sila po ang nag-evaluate ng mga application requirement for PCO accreditation. So mas madali pa rin na sa kanila magtanong sa EMB Regional Office. If you think naging helpful sa inyo ang video na ito, please like and share this video. Thank you very much for time listening on our topic appointment letter as pollution control officer. Thank you very much and God bless us all.